This is Adrian Manz. If you'd like a copy of my book, Around the Horn, A Trader's Guide to Consistently Scoring in the Markets, visit traderinsight.com, where you'll receive a 30% discount and 3-day shipping. That's the best price anywhere, only from Trader Insight.
From Los Angeles, traderinsight.com presents Dr. Adrian Manz in the war room and at the helm with today's look at stocks and sectors on the radar.
For traderinsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz, and this is Stocks and Sectors on the Radar for Thursday, April 30th, 2009. On Wednesday, Dow Jones Industrials up 168 3/4 points to close at 8185.73. We had 2,563 stocks advance, 485 decline, and NYSE total volume of 1.48 billion shares. It was good news from the Fed that pushed the markets higher. Looks like the economic slowdown is slowing down, and interest rates are going to be left right where they are, between 0 and 0.25%. That was good news for all the indices. S&P 500 up 18.5 to close at 873.64. NASDAQ 100 up 20.46 to close at 1382.38. And the NASDAQ comp up 38.13 to close at 1711.94. The Market Volatility Index, or otherwise known as the VIX, ticker symbol VIX.X, is at 36.08. That's down 187. That made for some good trading on the session today. As you know, if you were following the radar selections from last night, let's have a look at those right now and then look at 4 stocks that are on deck for Thursday. First one on the list yesterday was MCore Group Incorporated, ticker symbol EME. This was a fastball, expansion of range, expansion of volume. This one was a real beauty on the intraday charts, got us in, kept us in to the profit target and beyond. Let's have a look at a 5-minute intraday chart just to see what happened. We had a long entry trigger, $20.93, just about 10 minutes to 10 in the morning. Stock pulled back in a little bit, never had made it to 50% to the target, came back in right about to the initial entry, so just kept the trade on, and then zoomed right up to the profit target and beyond. Didn't have an exit signal until this bar here, which had a low of $21.58. So nice extension on that one, about an additional 29 cents over and beyond the stated target that we had last night. Beautiful trade, beautiful setup. You love it when those fastball volatility setups continue in the direction of the trend. Next, we had a 3-2 pitch in Lennox International with an entry price at $31.95 and initial profit target at $32.28. This one again, beautiful trade. Let's look at what happened intraday on a 5-minute chart. We see an entry right around this consolidation that finished up at 10:30, got us in on the 1025 bar for a swift move up to the profit target, just a little bit beyond, and then look what it did. It consolidated right on top of our profit target before moving lower. So another good one on the list, and then we've got one more. This one was in Mohawk. Of course, Mohawk was sort of a no-go, but let's have a look at that one as well. This was also a 3-2 pitch setup. We had a 47.68 entry, a 48.03 initial profit target. It got us in. It moved towards the profit target. 17 cents would have been 50% to the target. Instead, the thing only went 14 cents. But intraday, we see that we had a nice, clean exit signal with a stops in the form of a double play setup. You'll recognize that from Around the Horn, A Trader's Guide to Consistently Scoring in the Markets. Tells you when to get out of a trade. We see it here in a 5-minute time frame. The entry bar and the exit bar are set up. It looks like a double header pattern almost from the daily setups, but instead what we have is a burst to the upside that gets us through the trigger price, followed by a bar that exactly goes and reverses it. That, of course, is the double play setup from Around the Horn, and it is a clear signal to head for the exits. So this one, minor loss on the trade, down about a 1/4 point, but still, considering EME and LII, a great day for these radar setups. 2 energies, a utility, and a capital markets, all on the radar for Thursday. First one on the list, Affiliated Managers Group, ticker symbol AMG. Trade above 55.34 on this one is going to have me looking for a 55.70 initial profit target and an extension all the way up to $56.52. C-Core Holdings, this is in energy. Ticker symbol CKH. This is also a fastball, expansion of range, expansion of volume. Trade above $66.95. Going to have me looking for a move up to $67.43. In independent power, Ormont Technologies Incorporated, ticker symbol ORA. There's another one, fastball, expansion of range, expansion of volume, trade above $33.99 up to $34.01, $34.02, somewhere in there. Gonna have me looking for a quick pop up to $34.36. And finally, in energy and equipment one more time, Superior Energy Services Incorporated, ticker symbol SPN. Also fastball, expansion of range, expansion of volume, trade above $19.71. Gonna have me looking for a move up to $20.33. If you guys have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. Use protective stops on every trade and have a great trading day on Thursday.